This biker got into an argument with a reckless driver, and his reaction says it all. He's furious.
What do you want? Okay, so what? I'm on a bike.
This is what happens when you almost hit a biker.
Você viu que tá fechado, né? Viu?
Whoa!
Cut off a biker and you can say goodbye to your mirror.
Thanks for that pass. Hey.
This is what actually happens when you cut off a biker.
What the f are you doing?
A biker nearly collided with a car driving the wrong way, but he made sure to take the driver's mirror. Take a look. This biker was nearly hit by a driver reversing recklessly, but he dodged just in time and took the driver's mirror as payback.
What are you doing? Hey! What are you doing? What the f are you doing? Get out of here! Get out of here! You're stupid!
A biker got into a brief clash with a car driver. Watch how quickly it escalates.
Pe cineva care se învârte pe aici prin Londra cu un motor, luați-l pe ăsta.
What the f are you doing?
You're retarded!
Get over here!
This is what happens when you cut off bikers.
Seriously?
A biker was cut off by a careless driver, and things quickly escalated into a wild mirror smash with his leg. Take a look.
Corta a minha frente, tá louco ainda. Cortou a minha frente, tá loucão ainda, tchê. Ah, tá louco, corta a minha frente, ainda tá loucão. Vai, te liga. E quem disse que eu tava mais, ô palhaço?
Dude, look at this. Oh my. F you.
A driver used his size advantage to force a motorcycle to let him merge. Check out what happened next.
What's that going?
This biker got revenge on a driver who ran a red light and swerved into his lane.
What's up? What's up? What's up, mother? What's up? What's up? F you. Did you not see me?
I can't see you.
Yeah, but then you pull in behind me. That's just driving to the side of me. You could have f***ing killed me. Oh,
The biker said he could have moved over a bit, but since the driver didn't care about him, he decided to match her attitude.
It looks like there's a little scuff.
Dude, we're fine.
You need to be careful. Be careful. Hey, be careful.
filha da p...
The biker nearly collided with a careless driver. Take a look at how furious he got.
Are you not f***ing looking? Mirror.
Bro, calm down. I'm fixing my gloves, bro. Chill out. Chill out. I'm coming to you because you came up on me like hella fast. Exactly.
Just chill.
Anyway.
Chill.
You're stopping. Bro, chill the out. Holy shit.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Should I take his mirror off? I don't know, bro. You're really right.
Jesus Christ. No balls. No balls.
Oh my god.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, you better run, Ryan. You better run. Ryan, run the white. Run the white. Run the white. Run the white. Run the white.
Bro, we're not gonna be able to keep up with that.
Yeah. Woo! He's skirting. Woo! Ryan, dip, bro, dip.
Hey,
Oh, Ryan, run, Ryan, run. Run, 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 run.
An impatient driver tailgated the biker's partner, and that didn't sit well with the biker. The biker got cut off by a driver. Just take a look at his reaction. A careless driver cut off a biker, causing him to crash and end up on the hood of the car. And what he did next was truly unbelievable. The biker was cut off because the driver wasn't checking their mirrors at all. Furious, the biker got off his bike and took out his anger by smashing the car's mirror.
What the fuck? Baka p***o. Pagka kasi